Good morning, guys. Doing a quick fishing session this morning again. This is the water condition look like it's not too windy, and I have done probably a dozen casts right now. Nothing yet, but I do see some activity, some fish are diving a little bit further out. I cannot get to it. So, if you have a kayak or a John boat fishing a little bit out there, you can follow the bird diving. Yeah, I see a bunch of fish. Some fish splashing on the water, trout or mullet, I'm not sure. Nope, one more right there. That might be a mullet. I'll see some fish is chasing my small fish is chasing my lure right here. Oh, school of mullet right here. Hell yeah. See a big school of mullet right here passing by. Yep. Oh. Yeah, it got scared by my lure. Maybe something gonna chase this scoop mullet. Oh, they move over there quickly. Scoop mullet over there. Oh, fish on. Oh, geez, slip off. That slip off. Hopefully for another bite. See a bunch of baby fish down here, just chasing like a school of fish chasing my lure, but they're too small. Let's see, back on this side. Oh, something just feeding on that school mullet out there. Oh, something is chasing my lure. Like a needlefish. I can see a bunch of activity right now. Very exciting. See, when I'm casting straight toward, there's a bunch of fish feeding. Wow. Let's see if we can catch anything. I saw like something long, like an eel, but it's pretty white. I think I'm using I don't get much luck when I have the lemon head on the double rig than the midnight mullet and the shrimp quilo. I think they don't like the green for some reason. There's a bunch of feeding out there, and I'm casting right into it. Oh no, big scoop mullet over here, come join. Wow, big scoop mullet.